What's up, everybody? This is Leonard McDonald from Income Stream Success, where we believe that you are greater than a 9 to 5. Now, this is what's going on. I've been challenged that I can't take 100 of you and put you in a position where you can leave your jobs by the end of this year, 2018, before 2019, like December 31st, 11:59 p.m. If you're not in a position, or 100 of you are not in a position to leave your jobs, then I have failed, and I don't do failure. So I'm looking for 100 of you to actually go on this journey, and then we're gonna have a grad night, because like the last grad night was like graduating high school, and for some reason grad night ended with that graduation, even though you graduate to a lot of other things in life. So I'm bringing grad night back, grad weekend actually. We're gonna go to Riviera Maya, have a conference. I'm gonna bring a few people down, speak to you, give you some more knowledge, give you some more wisdom, so you can actually scale your business and take it to the next level after I put you in a position to leave where you currently are, if you want to. Some people like their jobs. But the point is that you'll be able to leave if you want to leave. So go ahead, click right here and get more information, and so I can see if you're ready to join my team, so I can take you and 99 others into the fold of being greater than a 9 to 5. Peace.